Everyone, Nikolay Valkov here, and in today's video, we're going to continue doing what I've done in the last few videos. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a different level membership website or course inside Kartra, and how to actually sell it as a few different levels of your product. So let's dive right into it. So we're going to use Lucid Chart to explain the big picture, and so you guys can understand what exactly I'm doing and why we're doing it. So here's Lucid Chart. In the first video, I've showed you how to create a very simple opt-in funnel where you have an opt-in page and a thank you page. Then we have created a free email sequence where we are trying to sell something in the last email, right? And then depending from if they purchase or not, we've got a few conditions. Now I have made a few changes. So first of all, everything that is blue is actual pages, and it's happening inside the My Pages section. Everything that is green is happening inside the sequence builder in Kartra, and we've got some text here as well, which is what the products actually are. So these things are happening in the product section. Now, so my idea was slightly different, but obviously I have expanded a lot. So basically, we've got one product, yeah, and the product is called the product is some kind of an online course. This online course has three different levels. One is a bronze level, silver level, and a gold level. And then we've got a bump offer, which is a one-time offer where somebody can actually buy all of the levels for a discount. And to make this possible, all I've done is basically I went to the My Product section, and My Product section, here it is, and this is the actual product. And the product, the default product is the bronze level. So we're selling them on the bronze level of our product, which is like the first step. And let's say that the goal is to make $1,000 for the wholesale in 1 month since they become a client, from the moment they become a client. And that's why we've got three levels, and every single one of them is $300, which makes a bit less than $1,000 actually, but it doesn't matter. That's just for just for the purpose of this training. And here we are. So I have selected the product, and I have just added more products into the same funnel. So when you're creating a product here, that's actually the funnel of the product, not just one product, right? So I have selected the default product, which is the bronze level, and I have added everything else that we're selling inside this funnel. Yeah. So we've got the bronze level, it's here. Then we've got the bump offer, which is how you can get everything for a huge discount. And then we've got the silver level and the gold level. Okay, so everybody that buys the bump offer actually becomes a VIP, so they can get more bonuses and blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. And everybody else is just a regular client, because our goal is to take as much money as possible from the first client, yeah, so from the first offer. So the moment they upgrade, when they bump the offer, bump their order, sorry, to becoming a VIP client, they will be unsubscribed from this whole sequence that I'm going to talk about right now. So this is what I have done in the product section. Now let's go to the membership section and show you some of the differences that some of the things that I have changed there to make this whole thing possible. So basically, I have split the content into three different levels, because we have created this membership, and this membership is now a multi-level membership, and the content is being dripped. So when they purchase a module, obviously depending from the amount of lessons and all that kind of stuff, depending from the amount of lessons, they will need a week to complete the module. approximately. So we know how long the content is being dripped for. The content is being dripped for 1 week, right? And I'm going to quickly show you how to achieve that. So this part here, enable comments, yes, access levels. Now here is the interesting part, yeah? So when you want to create multiple levels for your product, you just create multiple access levels. So level 4 is the VIP, and these are people that have purchased the bump offer, and they get access to all of the levels of the course. People that buy the bronze have access to the first part, silver the second, and gold the third, right? So this here makes sense. And from here, you can choose how the content is dripping. I don't think that you can actually change um, how the content is dripping depending from their level, unfortunately. So correct me if I'm wrong. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Now here, this is really interesting. Manage locked posts. So posts outside the user's access. So you can choose if people that haven't purchased the other levels, if you want them, you've got three options actually. You can not display the posts. You can display the posts but keep them unclickable, or you can display the posts and pop up a teaser window, which is what I would personally use because it's really awesome. And you can edit the teaser. You can choose between those 6, and for example, you can actually make them upgrade from within that thing. That's awesome. And yeah, so when they click there and they will see a video, hey, this is module number 3, you need to buy the gold package and you're gonna get access to this and that. If you can't wait to get access to all these cool videos, just click the button down below and upgrade. All right, so that's really awesome. And also you can choose, you can edit the same, you've got the same options for people that will get access to the videos, but they're not available yet. All right. Notify your members when a new post unlocks. So you can actually oh, you can't edit the text here. So yeah. So I've changed these things. So progress bar, you can force people to go through the course like step by step, or you can allow them to watch random videos. So this is what this part is here for, and you can obviously change it for all the different access levels. So we're going to display the progress bar and force them for a linear progression in this case, and that's for all the different levels. You can change the badge that displays depending from what level they complete. Yeah, so the first one can be green, the second one can be yellow, and stuff like that. And sorry, and yeah, and that's about it. So these are basically the changes that I made. I added more products, and then I created the membership so it drips the content, and it has 4 different access levels: bronze, silver, gold, and all of them. And I've made changes to the sales process as well. So let's have a look at this part here. So let's say, for example, that you're running a Facebook ad, and the Facebook ad says, get my 10 PDF free cool little stuff, yeah? Enter your email. So they do that. They enter their email, they're landing on a thank you page where they can download the free PDF. Then we've got an email sequence, 3, 4, 5, 10, as many emails as you like. And you are trying to send them to a sales page. You're trying to sell to them the bronze level of your product. When they go there and when they enter their details, they want to buy your bronze level, they will see a one-time bump offer where it says, hey, do you want to get access to all the cool videos, training, blah, blah, blah? Just tick that box here. When they tick that box, they will get access to everything and they will be immediately unsubscribed from this sequence because this sequence is pointless. And if they purchase everything, and then you can obviously subscribe them to another sequence, to your onboarding sequence or whatever it is. Then, but if they don't use the bump offer, if they don't purchase everything, then we've got a split. This is inside the sequence that you're building, and in this split, the question is, have they purchased the bronze level? No. Okay, so if they haven't, uh, we really want to try and convince them that they need to buy your stuff because your stuff is really good, yeah. So we're gonna offer them 10% discount off coupon for the next 3 days or 4 days or as many as you want, or you can you need to find a way to make them a client because they're not a client at this point, right? A customer. So we'll send them emails with countdown timer, limited time offer, 10% off, buy now. Now if they still don't buy, well then maybe they're not that interested and we're going to unsubscribe them from this sequence. Unsubscribe from the sequence, not from your list. They're still on your list, but they're just not in this sequence. Maybe this wasn't the right offer, maybe this is not what they're looking for, maybe they're not ready to pay. From there, yeah, so we're pushing them back to to the sales page actually, not to the thank you page. So this is actually wrong. And so if they have purchased the product, then we're gonna send them to a thank you page where we can tell them, hey, subscribe to my video, to my YouTube channel, my Facebook group, message me on Facebook, blah blah blah, and we're going to give them access to the bronze level. All right. So now they've got access to the bronze level, and we also know that they need 7 days for all the content, or as many days as depending from your membership. But in this case, this example, I have set it up that they need 7 days in total so they can get access to all the content. So we know 7 days and they've got access. They should have consumed it, or maybe they haven't. It's up to them, because Kartra will actually allow us to know when they have completed the first module, when they have completed the bronze level. We can set up automations and all that kind of stuff. So when they complete the bronze level, we know, okay, so they have watched all the videos, they're ready. And we start sending them more emails where we are actually trying to persuade them, or not persuade wasn't the right word, trying to convince them that that silver level is really, really the real deal, yeah? And that's what we do. We send them those emails, hey, silver level is for you, you're ready for silver level if you want to blah, blah, blah. And then we send them to a sales page, which can be, you can create different sales pages for all the different levels, or you can create just one sales page and create a section in this sales page with, or you can actually, in this case, you might actually just copy and paste the exactly same page and then just edit, the product that it gives access to. So you can create different sales pages, or you can create the same sales page and just change a section and the right section to show to the right people depending from their tags. So you've got 3 options, all right? And from there, we send them to a sales page for the silver level. And then again, we've got a split. Have they actually purchased the silver level? No. Well, if they haven't purchased the silver level, then we're going to do the exactly same thing we've done here. We're going to send them some emails. Hey, limited time offer, grab your 10% discount, blah, blah, blah. And then if they don't buy, they're going to go to a wait period. We're going to wait a little bit. And then if we want to, we can unsubscribe them, or we can loop them back here. And we try selling them the same thing again, yeah? You can loop them back and just keep them in this loop endlessly until they unsubscribe or until they buy, or you can just unsubscribe them. Now, if they have purchased the silver level, what happens then? Well, they go to a thank you page. Hey, thank you for purchasing the silver level, blah blah blah. And then the same process repeats again and again and again until we sell everything that we want them to buy. Yeah. So when they complete the silver level, Kartra knows if they have, and we're gonna set up our sequence in such a way that we're gonna start sending them, hey, now that you have completed, hey, congratulations on completing the silver level. I hope you learned blah blah blah. So now is the time to really, like, really go that extra mile and jump on the gold level and blah blah blah. And we do the same thing. We actually try and sell them the gold level, and then we split again. Have they purchased? No. Well, if they haven't, same thing. An email sequence, 10% discount, 10% discount coupon or whatever, and you try to sell them the gold level. If they don't, unsubscribe or loop them back. And if they do purchase the gold level, then you can again unsubscribe them from the sequence, because you have sold everything that you wanted to sell them anyway. So this is the sequence, guys. Now, it's very, very simple. When you use Lucidchart, it's very easy to map things out. Obviously, probably, I'm not sure, but the difficult part is actually to know what to do, and to come out with a strategy. That's why you use a funnel mapping tool like Lucidchart, Funnelytics, or whatever. You map the whole thing out, and now we basically know that we've got the products. They're in red. Yeah, we've got 3 products plus the bump offer, 4 products, and then you go into Kartra, you click on my products, and you start creating all the products. And so you create the first one. This is the main product. The main product that you're gonna sell is the first product that you sell, and it's the bronze level. So we want to sell them a bronze level. Then when they're during the checkout process, what happens there? Well, we want to make them an offer. It can be a bump offer, or it can be just a simple upsell. So when they buy the bronze level, when they're buying the bronze level, hey, one-time offer, blah blah blah. Do you want to buy the whole thing? Well, that's the price. Or you can use a bump offer, like I am in this case. And then what else? What if they don't purchase the bump offer? Well, we need to create the other products, silver, gold, and that's it. So now that we've got all the products here, the thing that we're going to do is we're just going to create a sequence and create the pages, everything one by one, step by step, and that's it, really. I mean, it's not a big deal. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I didn't really show you much inside Kartra, to be honest, but I will do next time, because I'm gonna talk about pages tomorrow. So please leave a comment down below and let me know what is it exactly that you want to learn. What is it that you're struggling with? What is it that you're finding difficult? Comments will make the videos better. No comments, it's like, shooting in the dark. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you around very, very soon. Thank you, and bye.